Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Audi Q8. 2 owners only, in excellent condition. When there is done with receipts and very beautifully upgraded for you. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. This car looks absolutely majestic. It is simply massive in size and sporty, and with this RS body kit looks super mega aggressive. Just have a look at the side profile of this car. I need to walk really far away to properly get it into frame, and I can still barely fit the car in the frame, guys. This car is absolutely massive. Exactly same platform as Lamborghini Urus, so if you want an Urus on a budget, this car might be perfect for you. This car also comes upgraded with this custom forged rims, absolutely beautiful, really nice, wrapped in Michelin Sport Pilot Sport 4 tires. All right, very beautiful color combo. Yes guys, this is a wrap. Original color for this car is burnt orange, very beautiful. I really love how they blacked out all this together with the mirror caps and the roof for overall sporty look. This car looks absolutely fantastic. Look, even the brake calipers had been painted to color match. All right, look from behind. Massive diffuser, dual exhaust exit, very nice. And over here, what do we got? Quattro. Yes, this is a proper SUV, all-wheel drive, powered by a 3-liter turbocharged engine. And of course, as an Audi, it's got a very beautiful tail light animation. Just look at this. So sexy. Of course, this car comes with a massive boot space and is packed with features. For example, all 4 doors have soft closing. There we go. Another very cool thing, even though this is an SUV, we got frameless window. How nice. And we have fully electric shade behind. Of course, black interior, leather is in fantastic condition and super mega spacious for a passenger. We even got rear passenger aircon, which can be controlled with its own controls. And now, let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very spacious and stylish cabin, very driver focused. I really like how the infotainment screen is slightly tilted towards the driver. But let's start from the beginning. First things first, we have this upgraded RS steering wheel. Very nice to hold. I still think Audi are the market leaders in terms of steering wheel design. Absolutely gorgeous. Also comes with carbon fiber pedal shifters. Your start-stop is on the steering wheel, and your different drive mode selection is on the steering wheel as well. We have this beautiful digital speedometer cluster, one screen for your infotainment. Also, this car comes with a 360 view camera. Very nice, because it's a large car, but this makes it very easy to park. And the second screen here is for your aircon controls. Auto hold, electric parking brake, and very traditional gear selector. And of course, this thing is very comfortable for your elbow. Over here we have a Quattro to remind you what a cool car you're driving. I'm not sure if you can see on the video, but this is actually very dark color wooden trim that's been laminated. Very nice. Of course, both seats are fully electric. Driver's seat comes with memory setting as well. Right guys, have another look. Alright guys, so this car in terms of driving is absolutely fantastic. Went there, had been done with receipts, and now it just on COE, we still have 2 years and 3 months left. Just nice for you to enjoy. There are very few of these on the market, so if you're looking for one, this is probably the best one. And as always, you'll know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.